Oh. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dan Greer with Eclipse DOT, and today we're going to be going over all of the new backing skills for what's called the modernized CDL testing. So, hope y'all enjoy this. We're going to go over them all, and then we'll go from there. All right, chat with you guys later. Bye.
All right, so here we go. We're going to go up. We're going to go get in the truck. Okay, as we get in the truck, we're going to pull straight forward. So the first thing you got to know is that this first exercise is called forward stop. See those two cones right there at the front? You've got to stop within those two cones. So we've got 3 feet. It's a 3-foot box. And we only get to stop one time. Get your head out the window. Look. Okay, that's the key to this one. All right, and you only get to stop once. So if you stop and roll up into it, that's no good at all. All right. So now then, next thing you got to do is after you pull forward, okay, now then you're going to pull all the way out of the alley, and you're going to back straight back through the alley. Now this alley is 100 foot long and it's 12 foot wide. That's the dimensions of this alley. You just back straight back through it all the way through this. This is a great time when I'm going through this exercise to tell you a little bit how the point system works on this. If you cross over any boundary line or cone, it costs 2 points against your score. Okay. If you do any pull up past the free ones that you get per exercise, it counts as 1 point against your score. You're better off to do a pull up than you are to do a straight line back. Now, if you miss this forward stop, that's worth 5 points against your score. 10 points is a fail. Well, 10 points is a pass. 11 points is a fail for Class A. Okay, so now that we've done the straight line back, the next thing we're going to do is an offset forward. So we're going to pull forward. Now, there's a cone right back here at the back of the screen. You see this cone right here. We're going to pull forward, and we've got to keep our trailer as close to this cone as possible without crossing over. It's got to be within 4 feet of that cone. So the key to this one is to pull forward like you feel like you've almost gone too far. Cut it really hard, come out, and then come back. Cut it back hard, and then your trailer is going to cross right next to that cone. Once it gets there, now then you've got to pull up parallel with the parking space that you just pulled out. Okay? Now, like I was mentioning, if you miss that square, that's worth 5 points. Right? If you hit a cone, it's worth 2 points. If you miss the forward stop, that's worth 5 points. If you have to do a pull-up, or like in this case, a back-up, okay, and then change directions to get settled better, then that's worth 1 point as well, okay? Now, the last exercise is literally the exact opposite of what you just did. You just back into the same parking spot that you just pulled out of. So this is a 60-foot opening that we're going to back into. It's a 100-foot alley. It's 12 foot wide, and this opening is 60 foot long. All right, I'll give you guys a picture of it right here just so you can kind of see it. Awesome. Okay, so as we back into this, you can see that exactly what's going on here. Now that it's going to back in, and then we've got a 3-foot box in the back of this we have to stop in. We have to be within the lines here, 12-foot alley. The key to this is if you cross over the back line, you have to put 2 points. If you get 2 free pull-ups on this one, so you see I'm going to take a pull-up here. Okay, so I'm going to pull up, reset myself, get back in where I'm ready to go back into this. Okay, then I'm going to back in. So if you cross over this back line back here, you can't see it. It's only worth 2 points. So don't be afraid of taking that, especially if you hit this forward stop, hit the offset back, you didn't do anything wrong, or one straight line back here. This is a great place where you take 2 points. If you cross over this front line, it's only 2 points. Now, it's 2 points per vehicle. So the truck counts as 2 points, the trailer counts as 2 points. All right? Again, 10 points is a pass, 11 points is a fail for Class A. In most states, that's the handbook. So now I'm going to get out. I get to get out of the vehicle twice to check for positioning. So you see me get out. Don't get out like that. Get out, facing the vehicle, facing forward, 3 points of contact. Like, don't get out walking down steps. They can fail you for that, just like I just did. That's a major no-no, okay? So now then, we're going to come up, and you can see I'm in the squares. All right.
All right, there you got it. That's that view. We're going to give you guys a different view here now, okay? All right, see you soon.